Need a secure place to store files in AWS? Before you can upload anything to Amazon S3, you first need to create a bucket. In this video, I'll show you how to create your first S3 bucket, upload your first file, and download it again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. In the search bar at the top, type S3, then select S3 from the search results. This opens the Amazon S3 console. Now let's create our first Amazon S3 bucket. Go ahead and create bucket. Before we continue, let's quickly understand what a bucket actually is. You can think of a bucket as a secure container in the cloud where Amazon S3 stores your file. Whether it's documents, images, video, backups, or application data, anything you upload to Amazon S3 is stored inside a bucket. Now that we know what a bucket is, let's create our first one. At the top, you will notice the AWS region is already selected. For this demo, I'll leave it as a default. Right below that, you will see bucket type. We will keep general purpose selected since it's the recommended option for most use cases. Now let's give our bucket a name. One important thing to remember is that bucket name must be globally unique. That means no two S3 buckets anywhere in AWS can have the same name. I'll enter a unique bucket name here. If AWS tells you the name is already in use, simply try another name until it's accepted. Alright, right below that you will see object ownership. We will leave the recommended option selected, which disables ACLS. This is the recommended setting for the most new S3 buckets. Next is block public access. Notice that all the four options are already enabled. We will leave these settings exactly as they are. This helps keeps your bucket private and secure by default. If you ever need to make your bucket public, for example, to host a static website, we will cover that in a future video. As you scroll down, you will see bucket versioning. Versioning allows Amazon S3 to keep multiple versions of your file, making it easier to recover files that are accidentally deleted or written. For this beginner tutorial, we will leave versioning disabled as well. Further down is default encryption. One nice thing about Amazon S3 is that AWS automatically encrypts a new object stored in your bucket. Since that's already configured for us, we will leave these settings as they are. You will also notice several additional option settings. For your very first S3 bucket, the default setting exactly what we need, so we will leave everything else unchanged. Alright, we're all set. So go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click Create Bucket. Perfect. Your first Amazon S3 bucket is now ready to use. As you can see, creating an S3 bucket is quickly and straightforward. Most of the default settings are exactly what you need to get started. Now that our bucket is ready, let's upload a test file. So go ahead and click Upload. So there are two ways to upload files. You can simply drag and drop your files in this area or click Add Files to browse from your laptop. For this demo, I'll simply drag and drop my files into the upload area. Once the file appears in the upload list, go ahead and click Upload. Once the upload finishes, click Close. Perfect. Your file is now stored securely in Amazon S3. Now let's download the file we just uploaded. So go ahead and select the files and click download. Your browser will automatically begin downloading the file back to your computer. And just like that, you have successfully uploaded and downloaded your first file using Amazon S3. You are now ready to start storing your files securely in AWS. In the next video, we will continue building this foundation by exploring more Amazon S3 features. If you found this video useful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Cloud Launchpad for more AWS tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.